The Amazon rainforest, also known as the Green Inferno, is the largest tropical rainforest on Earth and a World Natural Heritage Site. The rainforest has a wide variety of tree species, 250 species of mammals, 2,000 fish species, and over 1,000 bird species to encounter. Small mammals, birds, reptiles, and exotic insects such as butterflies are easily observed on jungle expeditions, which include canoe rides in small creeks, jungle trekking, piranha fishing, alligator spotting, lectures on medicinal plants, jungle survival courses, folkloric night shows, bird watching, sport fishing, and the like. The world's mightiest river, the Amazon, flows for 4,007 miles from the top of the Peruvian Andean Mountains into the Atlantic Ocean. The Amazon River is the world's largest river in volume of water, holding as much as all of the next 10 largest rivers in the world combined, pouring 8 trillion gallons of water into the ocean every day and the second in length. The Amazon River holds 20% of all the fresh water on the planet. The Amazon's width is of 120 miles when it meets the Atlantic, and its average depth is of 50 feet. Many of the world's top 20 largest rivers, including the Rio Negro, flow into the Amazon. The rare pink dolphin and a diversity of fish species inhabit the mighty waters of the Amazonian rivers. More than two-thirds of the world's plant species are found in tropical rainforests. Rainforest plants live in a warm, humid environment. Competition at ground level for light and food has led to the evolution of plants in this biome. An iconic plant in this environment would be the Bertholletia excelsa or the Brazil nut tree, which towers over all other trees in the Amazon rainforest, capable of reaching over 160 feet. The world's largest freshwater archipelago of river islands, Anavilhanas is located on the Rio Negro in the Brazilian Amazon, 100 kilometers upstream from Manaus. A unique ecological system and preservation area of great biodiversity, Anavilhanas is made up of 400 islands covered with native forest, a natural labyrinth with diverse landscapes and wildlife. During the rainy season, half of the islands are submerged, forming a boundless floating forest of creeks and channels awaiting discovery. The compact vegetation is shelter for diverse birds, butterflies, iguanas, rodents, monkeys, and snakes. With its impressive black waters, Anavilhanas archipelago has an extremely abundant aquatic life with several species of fish, as well as crocodiles, dolphins, and manatees. During the dry season, the receding waters reveal white sand beaches and natural formations of roots and trunks. The Rio Negro is the largest left tributary of the Amazon River and the largest blackwater river in the world. It flows into the Rio Solimões at the meeting of the waters to form the silty Amazon River below Manaus and is navigable for 450 miles. While the name Rio Negro means black river, its waters aren't exactly black. They are similar in color to strong tea. The dark color comes from humic acid from incomplete breakdown of phenol-containing vegetation from sandy clearings. The river's name arises from the fact that it looks black from afar. Rio Negro has a very high species richness. About 700 fish species have been documented in the river basin, and it is estimated that the total is 800 to 900 fish species, including almost 100 endemics and several undescribed species. Hike through the Amazon jungle high up in a treetop canopy, tall observation tower, or suspended walkways that wind through the jungle. An interesting excursion is a hike out to one of the old seringays or rubber tree groves which still produce rubber. Tourists may also experience nocturnal excursions by canoe or floating hotel that take you out to sleep in the jungle on a hammock between two trees. Amazon night tours can be an eerie experience, and you'll need special supplies for this expedition. Located east of Manaus, inside a 100 square kilometer ecological reserve, the Adolfo Duck Botanical Gardens is the world's largest botanical garden with an infinite number of plant and animal species. The massive garden features a variety of scenic trails that wind through vines, young and old trees, flowers, mushrooms, birds, and animals.